Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Um,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak English and understand English just little.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I 100% willing to work in Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Leia Pabiliosa Porras. I'm 38 years old. I live in Silangang Mayaw, Lucena City. I have 3 kids and I'm single, ma'am. My mother is Lilia Pabiliosa Porras and my father is Alejandro Porras. My religion is Roman Catholic. My weight is 63 kilogram and my height is 5'2". I am high school graduate in Talipan National High School.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is June 14, 1986.
You mentioned that you are a single mother of three, right? So, who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Mother. My
How
3 kids live in my mother.
Okay, how old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 65 years old, just in home
Okay.
housekeeper, my mother.
So, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have 4 brothers and just only be in girl and family.
Okay, what is your rank in your family?
I'm the eldest in my family, in my siblings.
Okay, so in your by data, or rather than in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in other countries. This is your third time round to work abroad, is it correct?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in your by data or profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2019 to 2022 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and you finished your contract. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. And I extended 1 year and maybe month.
So you worked there for 3 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment while you are working in KSA?
I'm just only cleaning and just cleaning the house, ma'am, because we have cook.
Okay, so you do laundry and ironing?
Yes, cleaning, laundry, ironing.
Did you take
I
your
will take
children?
in the Saudi. I have no children, ma'am.
Okay, so UAE, you worked there for how many months?
10 months.
10 months. Why you
Yes.
didn't finish your contract?
Uh, I don't finish, ma'am, my contract because it's too much work. It's overwork. I start working 5 a.m. then finish 12 a.m. in the evening. Too much work,
Too much work. Overwork.
and I don't have day off.
Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment while you are working in UAE?
I'm all around, ma'am. I'm nanny. I'm cooking and laundering all the and all the clean household in the house. I will then I cook also.
Okay. How old is the baby that you take care?
I'm take care by I have 1 year old, 5 years old. They 6 kids in the house.
Oh, six children.
Yes,
Okay.
then the baba and mama.
How
So they
old are
eat
those
in family.
children? Can you elaborate again? How old are those children that you take care?
I have 1 year old in 1 year old, 5, 7, then have 9, then the eldest is 14,
The other one?
thir- 13.
Okay. So that's why you terminate your contract because you are overworked and they got 6 children, is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract here in Malaysia also?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract in Malaysia because Malaysia is good. The employer is not. They give the day off.
Okay, but you know that we also have some rest day, but you are allowed to stay only inside the employer's house. You are not allowed to go out. And using of mobile
Yes,
handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but you can hold your phone during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
yes, ma'am. It's okay with me.
It's okay. So being a domestic helper, I know it is very tough as you also got many experience way back before to your previous employment, right? You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience those things that you didn't experience also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I 100% ready.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Okay with me.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience taking care of baby because of my son.
Okay, can you take your elderly people?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I will.
Can you cook?
I cook Arabic food, ma'am. Then Filipino food also.
Okay.
And then I will learn to
Can
know.
you okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not afraid of pets. Maybe just rat.
Okay. So, Leia, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain, you will going to sign your 2 years contract, okay? Any
Yes,
uncertain
ma'am.
situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, also you are not allowed to go out. You are not once you breach your contract, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am. You're right.
This is not the Philippines, okay? You've been
Yes,
working in Middle East for twice already. You also follow the rules and regulations. You also respect the culture. Once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will do the same thing, yeah? This is not the
yes,
Philippines. We will we need to humble ourselves, respect the rules and regulations, follow the employers because you are the one who will get along with them for 2 years, okay?
ma'am.
Okay, how do you handle your homesickness? Or how are you gonna fight your homesickness? Of course, you've been an OFW for quite some time, but still, while working other countries, we are not in our own motherland. Still, homesickness strikes us anytime, anywhere. So how will you handle it? Or how are you gonna handle your homesickness?
I'm just focus in my work, madam. Then when I have free time, I call my family. Then watching YouTube like that. So
Okay.
my homesick is finished.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Leia. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have